Bring your left foot next to your right foot, and simultaneously turn your upper body to the left. Keeping your left palm still, circle your right palm backward and downward, and then push it forward. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Form 2. Snap kick and bow stance push palm. Rise up, move your right palm upward and backward, changing the uplifting palm into a hook, and kick your right leg upward. Change the left hook into a palm and execute an upward snap kick. Then, step your right foot down behind your left foot. Press your left palm down as your right hook changes to a palm and pushes forward.